open it up. These are our jerky guns. This is our jerky slicer. This is the big old beast, is the one that we're going to use and set up right now. There's one trick that we do. It doesn't tell you to do this. That is, we put the main part, the head, in the freezer before we get started. So it's been in here for a couple of days because we knew we were going to do this. And that keeps it nice and frozen cold. When you meat grind, it warms everything up real fast and it can break down the proteins of the meat. So a little bit frozen actually works pretty good.